Hey, it's Mike here. Today I'm here to talk about how a regular girl is making $2 million plus per year by making simple tutorials. It's honestly insane what she's achieved, and I'm going to break it down for you and showcase how you can do the same and how I'm doing the same, and as well as my students are doing the exact same thing. Okay, so Kat Norton, aka Miss Excel, she has a phenomenal business. It's next level, okay? She's able to pull in over $2 million a year from seemingly simple software tutorials, Excel, right? She's teaching people how to use Microsoft Excel, one of the programs that's installed on most personal computers, laptops, and so on. While the topic might seem boring, her approach to it is anything but that. It's insane. And the creativity is bringing in multiple millions of dollars per year, mainly from selling her own courses. Now, why should we care? Genuinely, it's a good question, right? Why should we care? Well, there's been a shift in the marketplace over the last few years. With the power of a personal brand, your earning potential becomes uncapped due to the infinite reach you can get from leverage, social media leverage. Okay, if you become an authority in your space, you essentially own a monopoly. You're the boss of that industry. You're the boss of that space, essentially. Okay. People who are making 2 to 5k a month in their 9 to 5 jobs could take those existing skills that they use every single day and turn them into a powerful offer that they could give the entire marketplace, right? So my story as well, this all happened to me personally, right? I went from a 9 to 5 telecommunications engineer to a multiple 6-figure business owner within 18 months. All because I found out how to scale and monetize my audience just like Miss Excel. Now, I don't have a massive following. I'm at 40k, maybe 45 between all platforms, so less than 50k, and I can bring in 500k a year from this. So it's insane. Okay, now how can we do this? It's quite simple. You pick a skill that's in demand: copywriting, automation, web design, data analysis, etc. The list genuinely goes on. Cold email, so on. Something that companies need all the time. You take that skill, pick a social media platform. My preferred platform is Twitter, okay, and start building a personal brand around that skill. Now, how I did this with landing pages, and that's essentially just a one-page website. And I started documenting my journey on Twitter, and naturally, as I posted content geared towards my ideal customer, helping people with their landing pages, my DMs were flocked with questions about my services and figuring out, could people hire me? Okay, this is how I scaled my business from Twitter. Now, Miss Excel strategy, okay, this is how she's raking in the cash. She has to resonate with different stages of viewers. So we have the upper funnel, the mid funnel, and the bottom funnel, okay, the awareness stage, the consideration stage, and the decision stage. So what does she create content geared towards people who would be considered, or what kind of content is geared towards people that are considered top of funnel? Right, top of funnel is done from her reels and her Instagram posts. This will draw eyeballs, and a percentage of them will go further down the funnel, right? They'll be like, okay, she's interesting, I'll follow her, let's see what else she's got. Okay, if you look closely at her caption here, she asks people to comment level up, right? Can't even zoom into this enough, but comment level up. If people comment that word, she uses a tool called ManyChat, which will send an automated DM from her Instagram account and give an extra resource to the viewer, bringing them down the funnel even more. So she'll give them something for free. She'll give them something for cheap then. And then she scales her way up. Okay, so she's building trust by giving free content. And actually, she's genuinely helping people, right? So this is a great strategy. These documents that she gives will be called lead magnets or sales assets. Just a more in-depth guide on a specific thing that she teaches. Okay, ManyChat is fantastic, different flows, different automations. She doesn't have to send any DMs manually. The DM setting process. Since ManyChat has sent you a message, they have stored your info. Miss Excel will have hired a setter, a DM setter, so someone in her inside her chat box section of ManyChat, and follows up with people in her DMs. The goal for this DM setter is to try get people to buy her courses. The DM setter is working on a commission basis, usually 5%. So the DM setter takes 5% of deals that come through. They're heavily incentivized to make sales. It's 5%, okay, it's a relatively small amount, but if they get 100 sales, that can add up to a lot. On the right is a clear view of what ManyChat Live system looks like. Okay, you can see the system here, team, unassigned, you, etc. Instagram, Facebook, and then you have the chats. These are Instagram chats. Okay, Now, her Instagram bio, and this goes for absolutely everything. This goes for Twitter, YouTube, whatever it is. Okay, it doesn't matter. LinkedIn, etc. Her bio is put together in a very strategic manner. The first line says, Microsoft MV trained 1 million plus users. That's insane. What a statement to make. And this is to establish authority amongst the visitors. The next line is a call to action saying DM me, level up. And we both know that's for the seller to get conversations into sales. Okay, remember a while ago she was telling people to comment level up. Exact same thing here. Okay, it's an automated thing. When someone comments level up or DMs it, there we go. The conversation goes from ManyChat. Again, she hits us with more social proof of being featured on Forbes and other news outlets. Then lastly, she has a purpose, which is to make Excel fun. And then again, another CTA, call to action, which is a link to her link tree. So she's very salesy here, okay? She is very salesy, but she's smart about it. Now, her link tree breakdown. So when you click this, I prefer a landing page, but she's using a link tree. So when you click this link in her bio, this is what we have. The goal of her link tree is to make sales and B, to keep you going down her funnel. You'll be sold later on. Okay, so you can see here, live Excel class, all courses, corporate discounts, affiliate program, Miss Excel newsletter. Okay, you can go to free live classes, which is just a webinar for them to pitch you a course bundle. Then you can buy the course directly. If you're a larger company, they give you company discounts because you may buy multiple licenses, multiple courses, etc. This is an affiliate. Then there's an affiliate program to spread her brand and make more sales. Finally, a newsletter where they can give you more value, but again, sell you via email. It's all a funnel. They get you further and further in and then they'll sell. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's a win-win for everyone involved, okay? Now, with the cash collection side of things, you can see here, I need to be able to zoom in. Okay, fantastic. You can see here, $199, 1.2K, and 297. So she's catering for all different levels of wealth, essentially. So she has made multiple courses that she can sell separately or in bundles. This means she can increase her LTV, lifetime value, and apply to more customers. Imagine if she had one course for $1,000. Wouldn't be a good idea, as a large percentage of her viewer base may only be able to afford $200, $300. Okay, so you can see she appeals to many budget types. Now, it's all a formula. It's true. It's all a formula, and anyone can do this. There's a lot of different moving parts to create a business like this, but it's incredibly rewarding. The best part is you don't need millions of followers to 5x your 9-to-5 wage, right? I've done it myself, right? I've broken this process down into a science, and it has helped 100 plus people start their own personal brands and monetize it. It's insane. Right, let's look here. Andrew here, he's not even promoting anymore on Twitter, and he's getting clients through our community. Like, it's insane. The community is a secret weapon, Mike was saying here. And Mike's been killing it recently. He just closed a deal today, last business day of the month, best month since starting. This was 2 months ago. And Mike here again, this was actually yesterday. Another big client locked in for reoccurring revenue. Fleet of trucks he's managing for the business. This is insane. Right, and the group helped him out. Alex here, closing a deal for 2.2K. He signed actually another one. I don't even have the screenshot yet, but he signed another one yesterday for 2.2. It's insane, right? Brilliance here, new client, 1.4K, 2.6K, $5,000. Brilliance. Okay, it's insane. He made, I think it was almost 11K in his first 2 months. Like, it's absurd, right? Getting calls booked with people doing $1 million a month, etc. Helmy then 2K, 1K, what a day, right? Closed this morning. Keep paid 2K, another 1,000 here. It's endless, right? Another $500 here. It's insane. I could keep going with these all day. Now, my offer to you with this, and to be able to help you out through this, is starting with niche selection. Right, if you don't have a niche, we'll find niches in which you have the most leverage in. I'll help you niche down, and this is important. We'll refine it if you have one already, but it's important to niche down and understand who your target market is, your ideal customer. Now, from there, we'll create your offer. So now we know your niche, we know who you're targeting. Now let's figure out an offer together that we can use to leverage and take advantage of in the market. Something they need, right? landing page and video sales editor. I'll be helping you with this one deeply, creating your landing page with you, maybe even able to get someone to do it for you if you don't create them yourselves, and your video sales editor. I have a script. I'll be roasting your scripts and roasting the videos that you create to make sure it's as good as possible. I'll be helping you with writing content that gets you deals and posting content on Twitter. I think this is really important as well, because a lot of people struggle with this. How do I write content to get followers, to get leads? I'll be helping you through the process of all that, and I have formulas and templates for this. We'll be creating a funnel, then engineering your funnel, and that essentially is getting people to your page and having that optimized and bringing them through a funnel. This can be to a landing page, to an opt-in page, then collecting the email, then writing an email sequence and going down that road, and then you can pitch that client as well, or that prospect. Okay, so these funnels will be set up and optimized very, very well. Now, sales. Look, sales is insane. I love sales. I think it's a fascinating thing. I've had a guy, a friend of mine, he's done $35 million worth of sales in his career. He's created a sales course for the Casually Convert program. It's insane. Okay, so to have that level of knowledge inside of the program is absurd, right? So I've been through hundreds of sales calls as well, so I'll be helping you out on all that. Onboarding and fulfillment. Once you do close those sales calls, when they come through your funnel, you close the sales call and you have to onboard them and fulfill. I'll be helping you through that process. I have a fantastic process that allows you to get a lot of referrals, and that's primarily what I work off as well with my landing page business. Now, scaling. I'll show you how to scale, streamline SOPs to start training people. There'll also be a custom 180-day roadmap from me. Okay, so 6-month roadmap, accountability tracking sheets that I'll be crossing off what you do to ensure you're held accountable. 2 group calls per week on specific topics and special guests. 24, by the way, those group calls have all been recorded so far, so you haven't missed a thing. 24/7 support channel with me. I'll be holding you accountable to your game plan. Access to over 70 modules. We actually have 73 modules now, and we're working on many more at the moment, walking you through every little step of the way. Access to deals and referrals from other members inside my inner circle. As I mentioned here, Andrew getting deals from inside the program. It's insane. Okay, so how does it work? You'll have access to the private community as long as we work together. We'll be working together for a period of 12 months. So this program is 12 months long. Right, the goal is to get you 3 to 10 high-ticket clients in 180 days. And I guarantee if you don't make at least your investment back in the time period, I'll refund you with no questions asked. Only 10 people are being taken on at the moment. Okay, we're closing it once we get another 10 people in, because I work it in. Okay, I need to work with these guys for a few months, then we will go on to the next bunch. And to make sure everyone succeeds, it's important to do this. So only 10 people right now can be taken on. So if you want to get started and this sounds like it interests you, either DM me the word GO and I'll send you a calendar. We can book on a call, or else there should be a link. I probably sent you a DM or in the description. Check the link, the Calendly link that I've sent there. Feel free to book a call, or else DM me the word GO and I'll talk to you and we'll see if you're a correct fit for this program and see how I can help you. Worst case scenario, I give you knowledge and give you information that you can go take action on either way. So I hope all this helped, and hopefully we're all on our way to becoming as rich as Miss Excel and getting as many followers as her. It is possible. It really is. Myself and many other students are on the way to achieving stuff like this and results like this. So I hope to have you join us on the journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.